Everyone's still obsessed with fine-tuning LLMs like it's the golden ticket to smarter AI. Upload some PDFs, add some domain data, retrain the model, boom, expert AI, right? Wrong. You're just giving your model more words, not more understanding. Here's the real talk. Language models are incredible at recognizing patterns, but terrible at reasoning through them. They don't know why facts matter, they don't know how ideas are connected, and they don't even really know in the way you think they do. So, if you want your AI to do more than just sound fluent, if you want it to reason, recommend, or navigate complexity, you need more than a fine tune. You need structure. You need something called a knowledge graph. So let's break this down. A knowledge graph is a web of entities and relationships, not just raw text. It's how machines represent meaning. It's not just Apple as a company, it's Apple produces iPhones. iPhones run iOS. iOS is maintained by Apple. Apple was founded by Steve Jobs. See the difference? This isn't a list of facts. It's a map of relationships, context, and logic. And if you're building AI for decision-making, discovery, or personalization, that structure is critical. Fine-tuning dumps more hay into the stack. A knowledge graph shows you where the needles are and how they connect. Now, here's why this matters and why it matters right now. Most AI systems being deployed today are RAG-based, retrieval augmented generation. That means your LLM isn't answering from memory, it's pulling from a data source behind the scenes and then generating a response. If your data source is just a pile of flat documents, well, good luck. If your data source is a curated graph of connected concepts, outcomes, and expectations or exceptions, that's where the magic happens. And this goes way beyond tech. Imagine AI in legal, healthcare, logistics, or finance. Industries built on nuance and connected logic. A fine-tuned model might sound right, but miss a critical dependency. A knowledge graph aware system, it knows that clause 5 contradicts clause 9, or that two symptoms must be considered together to flag a red alert. So here's the takeaway. If you're investing in AI and not mapping your domain's logic, you're building a house on sand. Fine-tuning gives you surface level polish. Knowledge graphs gives you structural integrity. One gets you better completions, the other gets you better judgment. And in the coming wave of AI, judgment, not just output, will separate the flashy toys from the systems that actually matter. Follow along for more AI info that helps. I've got lots of them.